The percent didn't become wealthy trading time for money, and neither will you. It's tolerable for a start, but at some point, you have to intensely focus on scaling and leverage. Enter the Internet. The Internet has created a new economy that is accessible to everybody. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the perfect online business model for creating time freedom. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Its explosive growth and sheer size have already changed our perception of the traditional way of doing business. Amazon, PayPal, Netflix, eBay, and numerous other tech giants have virtually cornered their respective markets and created domination in areas where just a few years ago traditional brick-and-mortar businesses reigned supreme. The advent of the Internet has in many ways leveled the playing field for small businesses to compete with major corporations. Online businesses have the unique ability to grow exponentially because they present endless possibilities and upside. Creating the next revolutionary online business is not easy, and it takes the risk, but you must see past the risk and keep your eyes fixed on the endless rewards. You must focus on leveraging and scaling your business by harnessing the power of the Internet. Here are the top 5 reasons why taking your business online will help you immeasurably leverage your business and regain your long-lost freedom. Scalability and exponential growth. Regardless of what type of business or industry you are in, scalability is essential for taking your business to the next level. Establishing a business online is the quickest and easiest way to realize truly exponential growth. The most successful businesses today are rooted in highly scalable online business models. Uber, Google, Netflix, Amazon, all the social media platforms, the list goes on. An online business provides all of the essential ingredients to create the perfect scalability formula. Some of the main ingredients the Internet provides, among countless others, include instant access to more than billion potential customers, roughly % of the world population. Dirt cheap costs to build a world-class website. Robust integration capabilities with social media and free access to the most sophisticated and user-friendly marketing platforms. Overnight proof of concept with real-time customer feedback. Drastic reduction in costs for all aspects of running your business. Success and scalability are intertwined. Taking your business online lets you achieve the scalability necessary for your business to thrive by maximizing output while minimizing costs and time. How to start a business online. Time over money. The Internet is not some parallel universe exempt from the laws of reality. This was quickly discovered by all during the dot-com bubble. Your business valuation will not simply X or X by adding a M to your name. However, the Internet does provide certain shortcuts to those who leverage its benefits. By understanding and mastering these benefits, you will be able to drastically increase your business growth while scaling back the amount of time you spend in your business. Once you design and launch your e-commerce site, little additional time is required to run it because of the Internet's efficiencies and automation. Virtual assistants have reduced their time commitments even further and for next to nothing prices. This gives you more time to focus on big-picture projects that take your business to the next level. It also allows you to live life on your terms, and focus on the things that keep you motivated and engaged. Create raving fans and loyal advocates. The goal of business is to create raving fans and loyal advocates. They go out of their way to promote your product to anyone and everyone, not because you asked them but because they want to. This is the holy grail of marketing that you cannot put a price on. Creating an online platform to attract these zealous supporters is paramount, and the quickest, surefire way to achieve exponential growth. A website gives you the best opportunity to prove your credibility and authenticity. By showing your customers that you can consistently provide them value and deliver on your business's promises, you can earn their support. Having an online presence allows you to shift your customer's perspective from a one-time buyer to a lifelong raving fan and loyal advocate. Essentials for achieving the entrepreneurial dream. Maximize, not minimize, your time. It's not about working hard or working smarter, it's about working right. The internet has paved the way for this principle that has taken the entrepreneurial world by storm. In less than hours you, as an entrepreneur, can think of an idea, create a minimum viable product or service, list the product or service for sale online with a global customer base, receive instantaneous user feedback, then modify and adjust your product based on that feedback. Efficiency at its finest. Validating that your idea works by people actually pay for it is priority number one. Remember, your customers are marketing geniuses. They know exactly what they want and it is your job to find that out. Too many entrepreneurs begin with an idea for a product that they think people want. They spend months, sometimes years, making sure the product and business are perfected without ever testing or even showing it to potential customers. The internet has given you the perfect platform to do just that. Now is a perfect time. What are you waiting for? There will never be a perfect time to take action and start an online business. If you're waiting for the right time, regret is guaranteed. Forget the naysayers and be decisive. I am telling you from experience that now is always the perfect time to chase your biggest ambitions. $12, that is it. $12 is all it costs to buy a domain name and host it for a year with GoDaddy. For that same $12, you can design, build, and maintain your very own online business in less than a day. How many business websites do you need to visit before you create your own? Stop being an online consumer, and switch teams to reorient as a producer first, and a consumer second. Those focused on building something bigger than themselves stay consistently on purpose. They are always producing results, not consuming. Thanks for watching my vid about the perfect online business model for creating time freedom. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.